Okay, hello guys. Today we are talking about Venn diagrams and conditional. Okay, so let's move to the first part. So what is a Venn diagram mean? Here you can find I draw a rectangle. I draw a rectangle and here is two circles with each other, right? So we also find here is an overlap like area. Okay, so we consider A as an event A and blue circle means event B. Okay, so here A or B we can set here that means we have a like the events obey two situations. Okay, so we can say here the symbol E means a universal set. Okay, that means here we have a total number of items. Okay. And then we have the intersection A and B, okay? That is it. And then we can set here, we have a union here, and we can say it's A and B, or sorry, A or B. That means the total situations of the event, okay? And here, it all means a complement, okay? That means items not in A, okay? That is it. So here, also we can calculating the probability from the Venn diagrams, okay? So we can say here, to find the basic probability, we can using the divide number of the items in the target region by total number of the universal set, okay? So for example, like here we have the 30 students in class. We can say if here 12 playing football only and 8 play tennis only, and 5 plays both, 5 plays neither, you can try to draw the graph like here. Okay, so here is for football and tennis, 12 and 8. So here is 5, right? So here we can consider this part is 7, right? 12 minus 5 is 7, okay? And here is for 3 and 5 for neither, okay? So if you want to calculate the possibility for plays of football, that means 12 plus 5 over 30, right? So that is for 17, okay? I'm sorry, here's 12, sorry, here's 8, okay? That the intersection here is 5, okay? So it means here. And place neither, you can using 5 over 30 to calculate as 1 over 6, okay? Or 1/6, okay? That is it. And we can say here, also we have a conditional probability, like given that, okay? So when the question says given that, that means you're no longer looking universal set, okay? So for example, like your possibility to take an umbrella with you, maybe it's for 10%, okay? But your probability taking an umbrella with you when or given that it is raining. Okay, so that must transfers from 10% into 100%, right? Okay, so that is for the conditional probability right here. Okay, so here we can find the probability that a student plays tennis given that they play football. Okay, so we can say here that plays football here possibility is for 17, right? Okay, and only plays tennis here is for 5, right? So here possibility is 5 over 17. Okay, that is it. So we can say here that we have the formal conditional probability formula. Like here we can say that is PA and B over PB. We can say that means the possibility for A given that in conditional B, right? Okay, that is a formal conditional probability formula. Okay, that is it. Okay, so here's a little bit of practice for you. Okay, so you can try to solve these problems on yourself. You can just pause the video and then do it yourself, but also you can follow with me. Okay. So for example, like here, for this problem like said, like 25 speak French and 20 speak Spanish, and 10 each both for Spanish, French and Spanish. Okay, so here we can say, here we have 15 for only speak French, right? And here we have 10 for only speak Spanish, okay? That is it. And here we have total number of the 35 students, right? But here we have 15 children that cannot speak French or the Spanish, okay? That is it. So here we can draw the like the Venn diagram. And the second problem is to find the possibility for F and S, okay? So here we can say F and S it means can speak French or Spanish, okay? So we can say possibility here is 15 plus 10 over total number of events. Here is for 50, okay? So that here we can set is 35 over 50. So we can divide it by 5 on the numerator and denominator. So that is 7 over 10, that is for 70%, okay? That is it. And for the third problem, a tourist is chosen at random and find the probability that they speak French given that they speak French, okay? So because here they speak French and given that like P, A, and B, right? Okay, that is it. So we can say here it means PAB or PB using the formula, right? So the AB means that they speak French and also they speak Spanish, right? So here the possibility is only for 10 over 50, right? And for possibility that they speak B, like here, given that speak Spanish, right? So the possibility for speak Spanish here is for 10 plus 10 is 20, okay? So here is 20 over 50. So the possibility here is for 50%, okay? That is it. And for the fourth problem, possibility as, and here's F not speak French, right? So here we can say is possibility for as F and for possibility for only F. Okay. So here speak Spanish and not speak French. So here we can say that is 15, right? Okay, so that is oh, sorry, speak Spanish, not speak. Oh, sorry. Here is for 10, right? Okay, only 10 tourists only speak the Spanish and not speak French, right? So here's 10 over 50, okay? And the possibility for not speak French, that is for, like here is for like 50 minus 20, right? So here is only 30 tourists left, okay? So here is 30 over 50, okay? Total possibility here is for 10 over 30 is for 1/3, okay? So we can calculate the finest possibility for like not speaking the French, okay? Okay, that was our lesson. I hope you can try to understand how to calculate them clearly and how to find them, okay? So see you next time. Bye.